Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to translate speech to text on iPhone, and it's pretty simple to do. But before the tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below if this tutorial will help you. And let's go to the tutorial. So all you have to do is find a translator app on your iPhone. So here it is for me. So you just basically open the translator app, and now you want to choose the language you want to translate from and translate to. So for example, let's choose German maybe, and all you have to do is just touch the little microphone button and speak to it. Hello, where is the nearest? And as you can see, they translated it, and then all you have to do is just play this button and it will play your translation. So that's it, guys. That's how you translate a speech to text on iPhone. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.